In a cosmic event that has scientists at NASA on high alert, an enormous asteroid known as 2022 TN1 is hurtling towards close to our planet on April 30th. The asteroid is expected to pass within a distance of approximately 7,130,461 kilometers from Earth. That's less than 19 times the distance between Earth and the Moon. Zooming past at a staggering speed of 63,828 kilometers per hour. It's a close encounter that's leaving experts on edge. NASA assures us that 2022 TN1 will zip by safely, posing no risk of impact. However, it serves as a stark reminder of the potential dangers lurking in our cosmic neighborhood. Most asteroids in our solar system call the main belt between Mars and Jupiter home, but 2022 TN1 is a bit of a cosmic wanderer, with an orbit that doesn't quite follow the usual patterns. Its path takes it on a journey that occasionally brings it uncomfortably close to Earth. But what if this colossal rock were to collide with our planet? The consequences would be catastrophic. Statistics reveal that an asteroid of similar size strikes Earth approximately once every 166,000 years, unleashing widespread devastation. In the hypothetical scenario of 2022 TN1 impacting Earth, the results would be chilling. The force of the impact would carve out a crater 580 meters deep and 907 kilometers wide. The energy released would be equivalent to a mind-boggling 12 gigatons of TNT, vaporizing approximately 690,000 people near the impact site. But the horror doesn't end there. The formation of a fireball spanning 15 kilometers would spell doom for around 13.5 million people, with an additional 9 million suffering severe burns if the asteroid struck a densely populated area. Trees within a radius of 130 kilometers would burst into flames instantly. The most devastating aspect of the impact would be the shock wave, measuring a deafening 241 decibels. This force would wipe out 10 million people and cause the collapse of all buildings within a 100-kilometer radius. Additionally, a massive 7.2 magnitude earthquake would reverberate across the land, felt from a distance of 240 kilometers. In the face of such catastrophic possibilities, scientists are tirelessly working on ways to prevent such a doomsday scenario. NASA is at the forefront of developing innovative technologies of deflect asteroids, including kinetic impactors, gravity tractors, ion beam shepherds, and even nuclear explosives. While the chances of an asteroid impact are slim, events like the approach of 2022 TN1 serve as a stark reminder of the importance of planetary defense efforts to safeguard our planet against the perils of space. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Keep connected with us for more space and science knowledge and stories.